Hi Kai, it's me. It's me again. It's me again. Sorry, but I still have some questions regarding the technology picture you just painted here for us. So I forgot to ask what this all means for some of our stakeholders, meaning partners of SAP, the SAP community in general, and of course, last but not least, the customers. So. Maybe, I mean, we have still the picture here that you painted. Maybe you can explain for the three technology areas what, for example, partners can do to really work together with SAP on these three things. Because I think you already mentioned before, we have many companies already involved, like for HANA, right, that we partner with to set up the HANA asset. We have also all our acquisitions with for example, Sybase, where also other partners are involved. Maybe you just can give us a quick overview. Let's start with the partners. So, where in this picture can partners really help or participate with SAP on developing these things?
So let me start with the technology partners that we, of course, heavily depend on in all of these areas. So in the HANA case, as I said, this came out of co-innovation together with Intel, and now we are packaging it up with our hardware partners. So this is a heavily partner-driven innovation. On the consumption side, we've got the partners that are experts in these lightweight, people-centric technologies, be it on-premise technologies like Microsoft Office or Microsoft SharePoint or IBM's Lotus Notes or whatever it is, be it technologies like Adobe Flex or the Adobe Forms, be it the different web development technologies, and be it all the different mobile platforms that are out there from Apple, from Google, from RIM, from Nokia, whatever the platforms are out there, Windows Mobile. So we've got all of these partners lined up on the consumption space to make sure that we can, from all of these different platforms, easily consume SAP systems through the gateway. And on the on-demand platform side, the River platform, for example, runs on Amazon Web Services, so it's running on an external infrastructure. Technology partners heavily involved in this. And also in the deployment of SAP systems on modern infrastructures, very partner-centric field where partners provide, of course, the infrastructures. We've got a certification program now for cloud service providers. We are working closely with the systems management vendors to make sure that our management tools fit into whatever management solutions the customers have. So underlying all of this innovation is an open ecosystem of technology partners. We do not believe that going out and buying all of these technology companies is the best way to innovate quickly. We believe that by working with the best and the brightest in the industry, we will out-innovate the competition.
Okay, understood. So this is for partners. So what about people that are passionate in general about SAP software? So not working for a partner or a customer. What can they do here to really try things out?
But they can do. But let's continue with the partners as well, because we still have the ISVs and SIs to cover. And I think a lot of the work that they do is applicable to also to customers and to these passionate people that you mentioned. So on the consumption side, we believe there is a huge market for ISV solutions that you can build on top of the gateway that take advantage of the underlying SAP data and functionality, and an ISV can take their expertise, package it up into some really cool solution that may combine some on-device aspects, some web presence, maybe has an on-demand component, and it integrates nicely into a backend SAP system.
So that the end user really doesn't know if there is an SAP backend system there or not, right?
Exactly. And this can be a packaged solution from an ISV, or it can be a custom solution built by a system integrator, or it can be a custom solution built by the customer. Or these passionate developers we have in our community, they can all invent and build these solutions. And I would really urge everybody out there to think about, when you think about solutions to business problems, remember our product strategy of on-premise, on-demand, and on-device. You have all of these building blocks at your disposal. You can tap into the data and functionality of the on-premise systems. You can complement it with on-demand components. You can build on-device front ends, and you can all power it by in-memory technology to, if you need fast calculations on large data volumes. So we really give you a very, very, very powerful toolkit.
So how can they actually access it? I mean, if I'm a partner, it's easy, I think. So what if I don't have these company connections behind me? So how can I work with this? So do you provide something there?
Well, we've got some sandboxes available, but I think the best way to get engaged is through the series of InnoJams that we're running. This was what we called Innovation Weekends last year in conjunction with the Tech Kids. We're scaling this up this year. They're called InnoJams. We give you access to a couple of different technologies, some that are productized, some that are just out of the lab, that are not productized yet, but this is where you can really start engaging with this. And at last year's Innovation Weekend, we already gave access to the River platform. One of the later Innovation Weekends, we had access to Gateway available. We are currently running SAP internally only, what we call the HANA Olympics, in conjunction with our developer kickoff meetings this month, which gives developers access to the in-memory technology to build applications on top. And we hope that over time we will have both the Gateway, River, the By Design platform, the HANA available as sandboxes for the community to play with and to develop on top of.
Oh, awesome. Okay, so now last but not least, most importantly, how can customers actually access all of this?
Good point. So that's a pretty cool thing. You know, this technology strategy is not just some pie-in-the-sky 5-year plan. All of these things actually are available to customers today, or will be very soon. The Gateway is in its pilot phase, so we have about 8 pilot customers at the moment testing Gateway. Gateway already shipped in a 0.5 version together with Direct Enterprise, so we already have it for about 6 months now. It's been shipping as a product. The latest version is in pilot stage with a number of customers who are now building both on-device and web and intranet type solutions on top of Gateway. So this is out there, it's available. By Design, of course, with the release of By Design 2.6 in January of this year was a big step forward because it now comes with the development kits and everything, so it's available both to customers and partners. River, we're not quite sure yet when and how this will be made available, but we will let you know as soon as we make progress there. The virtualization and cloud management tools, we have a customer advisory board set up of about 30 to 40 customers that are working with us on the design of this, and it will enter beta next month, so there will be a pilot program for that. And HANA is in ramp up at the moment. We've got about 50 customers in this pilot program and some very exciting results already. So all of these areas, at least 5 years of innovation ahead of us, taking advantage of these technologies, but all of them available now or very, very soon.
Perfect. Kai, thanks a lot for explaining to us now more in detail how our stakeholders can really use this technology strategy, which is not, as you said, something running in the sky, but really actually tangible.
Well, some of it is actually running in the sky.
Okay.
But it is tangible in the sky.
Okay, very good. So thanks a lot, and hope to hear more from you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.